Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I thought that I would go ahead and do a quick little vlog on unboxing my Field Notes subscription. I'm very excited. This is the road signs version. Ooh. Okay, the mile markers. So there's that. We also got a Field Notes map for the highways. And there you go. So 2 sets of the mile markers. I think that's all that's in there. And the map is the United States interstate highway system. So it's very interesting to have. Now, funny story, when I first drove to one of my tournaments, I was using my husband's car because I didn't have a car that would make the trip all the way down to New Mexico. And he had GPS in the car, so I didn't really worry about it. Until there are parts of New Mexico or Arizona that do not have signal. And I was completely lost. My phone wasn't working. His GPS wasn't working. I did not have a freaking map in the car. So from that day on, and this was like 5 years ago, I made sure to have an atlas in my car no matter what, because I was never going to be lost like that again. But I'm going to go ahead and open one of these, if I can do it one-handed. This morning, I am just working on my April closeout, March closeout and April setup as my husband sleeps. And then we're going to go have brunch probably once I can actually start eating again at 10 o'clock because I'm on a fast. So that's the belly band. So it is dot grid. There's little Mr. Tier coming up and wanting to check everything out. But the cool thing that I love about these, if you'll get the tail out of the way. Oh my goodness, tear butt. If you look, it's got the sign glitter in there, right there. Like all of the city or the highway signs. And the dot grid is like a very light gray, which I really like. So there's that one. And then this one is kind of an homage to America in general. Yeah. Oh my goodness, Mr. Floofy Tail. But I really love the way that looks with the glitter in it. And then the deer crossing sign, which you can definitely tell this one has the glitter in it. I think those are just gorgeous. I absolutely love those. Oh, so the cover is a little bit different than we are normally used to. It's more of a shiny cardstock, but I will flip back into the back so that you can see the stats, because a lot of people like to do that or like to read that. So there are all the stats for them. And I really, really like this edition. And again, it's called the Mile Marker. And they are, it's the 42nd edition that they've done, which I thought is really cool, having that right there. A lot of little interesting details go into Field Notes. And I just really enjoy them. And I am quite the collector, but I also use them. And so we'll definitely be using these. And I'm going to be using one of the Field Notes, I don't know which one yet, to document the fast that I'm doing, the test of doing fasting in April. So kind of how I feel about it and what it's doing to my body and that kind of thing. But there you have the spring edition for Field Notes, and they are just gorgeous. So hopefully you guys pick some up. Anyway, I just thought I would share that with my everybody that's on the channel, and these will be going in my pocket traveler's notebook. Have a good day. Bye.